Want more natural energy and lasting strength throughout your day? Let's look at a simple blend that supports men's vitality from the inside. Let's start with banana. Bananas provide natural carbohydrates, potassium, and magnesium nutrients that help support muscle function, steady energy, and physical endurance. They help the body stay fueled and reduce feelings of tiredness during long or active days. Next is lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that support hydration and overall balance in the body. Proper hydration helps maintain focus, circulation, and consistent energy levels. Lemon also adds a refreshing taste that helps the body feel lighter and more refreshed. Now let's talk about ginger powder. Ginger has been traditionally used to support healthy circulation and natural body warmth. Good circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, which is essential for maintaining stamina and physical readiness. Ginger may help the body feel more active and energized during daily activities. To prepare this blend, simply add all the ingredients into a blender and mix until smooth. Blending helps combine the nutrients and makes the drink easy to enjoy as part of your daily routine. When combined with balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, good sleep, and healthy habits, this natural blend can help support men's energy, confidence, and overall well-being. And finally, honey. Honey is a natural energy source that provides carbohydrates and antioxidants. When enjoyed in moderation, it helps support endurance and provides steady energy without sudden crashes. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more health and lifestyle content. Stay strong, stay active, and see you in the next video.